social media trend about the earthquake in Mindanao and Bogo cities. The recent earthquakes that struck Mindanao and Bogo City, Cebu, have become a major trend on social media platforms such as Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter. Right after the tremors, countless residents posted real-time videos, photos, and updates using hashtag like Pray for Mindanao, hashtag for Bogo earthquake, and Stay Safe PH. Within minutes, that post went viral, reaching not only Filipinos across the country, but also viewers around the world. This phenomenon shows the power of media globalization, how digital platforms can instantly spread local events to a global audience. International news agencies use videos and testimonies from social media to report the situation. People from the other countries express prayers and sympathy online, while other communities abroad organize donation drives, and relief goods. Through this shared experience, the world becomes more aware of the challenges faces the affected regions. So positive effects on local culture and values. First, unity and bayanihan. The viral post inspired acts of kindness and generosity. Many individuals, both local and international, sent donation and help in rescue efforts, strengthening the people. We know kanang gikan ta sa disaster gihapon pero help gyapon ta sa other Cebu City so that we can help na makatabang ta nila nga nang maka-provide tag foods, waters, and shelters. So, anang bisag lisod gihapon ta kay na kuanan gyapon ta sa earthquake. So, we need to help gihapon. And then, so even though ang mga vloggers, the vice president, the mayors, the councilor are helping so para makakuan sila makalambo sa earthquake. Even ang mga students mo help gihapon na like sa donation mo help sila sa cash, GCash so that maila gyapon tabang sa iba. And then sa double di ba naapektuhan magyapon to sila pero ni-help gyapon sila sa Cebu kay para mulambo gyapon and ara sila'y mapuy-an. So third, cultural pride. Many posts highlighted Filipino bravery, faith, and cooperation, showing the strength of community spirit even during disasters. So this is the negative effects on local culture and values. First, spread of misinformation. Some users shared fake or outdated earthquake videos, causing panic and confusion. Second, exploitation of strategy. A few people use the event for attention, posting insensitive content for likes or views, which goes against Filipino values of respect and empathy. Third, short-term concern. Global attention often fades quickly once the trend ends, leaving survivors to struggle with recovery without sustained help. Sa negative no, so kuan man ka nang mag-assume na jud ta nga pulos negative ang kasagaran mo gawas kaya nang like ang sa una pa na earthquake ang ila i-post na yung anak kuno ay ang nahitabo so dili jud na nato mapugnan nga nang naay maging ana. So my personal insight reflection. For me, this event shows both the power and responsibility that come with social media. It connects people and spreads compassion across the world, but it can also spread fear or false information. Media globalization allows us to witness how humanity responds to suffering with empathy, action, and hope. As a Filipino, I feel proud that even in tragedy, our cultural bayanihan and faith shines through. However, I also realize that we must use media wisely, not just to go viral, but to share truth, support others, and strengthen our values. When used responsibility, global media can be a bride of one understanding that unity is rather than divided.